Hey guys, welcome back to Raminmark. Today I've got something really exciting for all the men out there who love to stay sharp, clean, and stylish without spending a fortune at the barber. Imagine having one kit that trims your beard, cuts your hair, shapes your sideburns, cleans your nose hair, and even gives you a smooth shave, all in one. Sounds too good, right? Well, today I'm reviewing the Saoilli 993 Professional Men's Grooming Kit. And trust me, this might just replace your next barbershop visit. Just a quick note, this video contains Amazon affiliate links. That means if you purchase using the links in my description, I'll earn a small commission and no extra cost to you. It helps support my channel and lets me keep making videos like this. So, thank you in advance. Now let's dive into the real hands-on review of this grooming kit. Unboxing and first look, 1.5 minutes. Inside the box you'll get 1 electric shaver, 1 hair clipper, 1 hair trimmer, 1 nose hair trimmer, 13 guide combs, cleaning brushes, USB cables, and even a travel bag. Honestly, I was impressed by how complete this kit is, perfect for home use, but professional enough for barbers too. Design and build quality. The trimmer feels solid in hand. It's cordless, which makes it super easy to use, and the LED display is a game changer. It shows remaining battery, charging alerts, and even oil reminders, something you don't usually see at this price point. Performance and motor. Now let's talk performance. This thing runs at up to 7,500 RPM with a sharp T-blade. No pulling, no irritation, just smooth trimming. What I loved most is the adjustable blade settings, 0.45 to 0.8 mm, which gives you flexibility whether you're trimming stubble, shaping your beard, or even going for a close haircut. The motor is powerful but surprisingly quiet, less than 60 dB, so it won't sound like a chainsaw in your bathroom. Shaver and nose trimmer. The foil shaver has a double floating ultra-thin mesh design that glides smoothly. Honestly, it gave me a very clean shave, almost barber level. The nose trimmer is efficient, no pain, no pulling, just gets the job done quickly. For men like us, this little add-on is super practical. Battery life and charging. Battery life is where this kit really shines. With just 2 hours charging, the clipper runs for 150 minutes. The shaver lasts about 90 minutes, and the nose trimmer around 60 minutes. It uses lithium-ion battery, which means long-lasting performance. And because it's cordless, you can take it anywhere. Waterproof and cleaning. Another huge plus, this kit is IPX7 waterproof, so you can just rinse it under the tap. No more worrying about messy cleaning. Who should buy this? If you're someone who wants to save money on barbershops, loves grooming at home, travels a lot, then this kit is absolutely worth considering. Pros: complete grooming kit, clippers, trimmer, shaver, nose trimmer. Strong motor but low noise. Waterproof and easy cleaning. Long battery life plus LED display. Cons: might take some practice for perfect fades. A bit bulkier compared to smaller trimmers. So, that's my hands-on review of the Saoilli 993 Professional Grooming Kit. Honestly, for the price, it's an all-in-one solution for men's grooming. If you want to check it out, I've left the Amazon link in the description below. Again, it's an affiliate link, which helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. Let me know in the comments, what's the most important feature for you in a trimmer? Battery life, power, or comfort? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Raminmark for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay sharp, stay stylish.